Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Now we'll write a composition on Taj Mahal, one of the most beautiful building built with marbles. They say it's a story of love. The king who loved his queen so much, when she dies, he builds a beautiful monument, and it took several years to build it. And finally, when he died, they also buried him. So this monument has the tomb of Shah Jahan, the king, and his wife Mumtaz. Both lie there. They say any foreigners visiting India, if you do not visit Agra, where the Taj Mahal stands, the visit to India is incomplete, they say. They say it took 21 years to complete, and thousands of workers were involved. They also say that it looks different at different times, but the best, most beautiful sight of the Taj Mahal is during the moonlight, they say. So let's write a short composition on Taj Mahal, the most beautiful building in India. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. We say the because there's only one Taj. The Taj Mahal is a wonderful monument and a marvelous in its architecture. Okay, so the Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal is a wonderful monument, is a wonderful monument. Monument and marvel of architecture. You can look at the building and go on admiring. And a marvel of architecture. The building is so beautiful that you just look at it and go on admiring it. It is the first, it's ranked first in listing new 7 wonders of the world. It's one of the unique buildings. It is one of the unique building, and it is a love story told in marble. It is a unique, it's a unique monument. It's a unique monument that tells a love story in marble. So it's a unique monument that tells a love story in marble. It looks different at different times of the day, but they say it looks best on a moonlit night. It looks different. It looks different at different times of the day. It looks different at different times of the day. Different times of the day. It looks the best on a moonlit night. It looks the best on a moonlit night. On a moonlit night. Okay? Then, it is a great monument of love built by Emperor Shah Jahan for his beautiful wife, Queen Mumtaz Mahal. So it's a great monument of love. Okay, it was built by by it was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. Emperor Shah Jahan. It was built by Emperor Shah Jahan for his beautiful wife, for his beautiful queen Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz Mahal. I do not know. We have Mahal here. Maybe the Taj was named after that. Okay. The Taj Mahal is a wonderful monument and a marvel of architecture. It is a unique monument that tells a love story in marble. It looks different at different times of the day. It looks the best on a moonlit night. It was built by Emperor Shah Jahan for his beautiful wife, for his beautiful queen, Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal is located on the banks of the river Yamuna. Okay? The Taj Mahal is located on the banks of the river Yamuna. It is built of fully white marble. It is built of full white marble. Full white marbles. Then it took 21 years to build and thousands of workers were employed. Okay? It took 21 years to build with thousands of workers, with thousands of workers. It is built of full white marbles. It took 21 years to build with thousands of workers employed to build. Thousands of workers employed to create this wonderful, wonderful monument. Then, what else can we say? It has 4 tall towers and minors too. It has 4 tall towers and towers or minors. Then, all around the lawn of green grass and flowers are there. All around it, there's a lot of green grass and flowers. All around. All around that are lawns. Of green grass and beautiful flowers. What else? There are several beautiful fountains in the water channel. In front of the Taj, in front of the Taj, there are several beautiful fountains, several beautiful fountains. Under the huge dome lie the graves of Mumtaz and Shah Jahan. Thousands of tourists visit daily. Now, so under the huge dome, under the huge dome lie the tombs or the graves of Mumtaz Mahal and Shah Jahan. Thousands of visitors, tourists, visit this place daily. Daily. Daily, thousands of tourists. Daily, thousands of tourists visit the Taj. Then, a visit to India is considered incomplete without visiting the Taj Mahal. So, a visit to India, they say, a visit to India is incomplete. Without visiting the Taj Mahal. Okay, now what are we writing about? We are writing about Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a wonderful monument and a marvel of architecture. It is a unique monument that tells a love story in marble. It looks different at different times of the day. It looks the best on a moonlit night. It was built by Emperor Shah Jahan for his beautiful wife, beautiful queen Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal is located on the banks of the river Yamuna. It is built of full white marbles. It took 21 years to build with thousands of workers employed to create this wonderful monument. It has 4 tall towers or minarets. All around it are lawns of green grass and beautiful flowers. In front of the Taj, there are several beautiful fountains. Under the huge dome lie the graves of Mumtaz Mahal and Shah Jahan. Daily, thousands of tourists visit the Taj. A visit to India is incomplete without visiting the Taj Mahal. That's what they say.